Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can simulate extractive distillation columns for isopropyl alcohol separation. It is our columns, and here you can see we have two unleaded stream. This is our feed, so we have 50% IPA and 50% water. And this is our entrainer stream, so we have pure DMSO or dimethyl sulfoxide. Okay, and our objective is the separation of IPA from this stream. So in the top stream we have or distillated stream we have IPA, and for the bottom stream we have DMSO plus water. Okay, let's get started. Click on new simulation. First step, we need to define our components. So we have three components. Here we have IPA, water, DMSO. Okay, click on next. In this section, we need to define our thermodynamic package because we have non-ideal system, so we need to use activity coefficient. So here we use an RTL. Okay. Now click on next. Click on run. Okay. And now click on simulation. Here we need to simulate the extractive distillation, so we click on columns and we use rack. Okay. Now we need to define our inlet stream. Okay. And also here we have the top stream, and finally we have bottom stream. It is our feed, it is our entrainer, okay, it is our D, and finally we have B. We can use Ctrl plus B for align stream, okay, Ctrl plus B, Ctrl plus B. Also for columns we can use C1. Okay, now click on next. Here we need to define our feed stream. The temperature 25, the pressure 1.3, the total flow rate 100 kmol per hour. And here for composition we use mole fraction, and for IPA we have 0.5, and for water we have 0.5. DMSO is 0, so we can use 0. Okay. Now click on next. Here our entrainer stream, so the temperature we use 72, for the pressure we use 1.2, and for total flow rate we use 100 kmol per hour. Okay, here we use mole fraction, and DMSO is 1 because it's pure. Okay, so the water is 0 and IPA is 0. Okay, now click on next. Here we select our number of stages, 41. Condensate is total, so it means our head vapor should be converted to liquid. Okay, and distillate rate we have 50 kmol per hour, and our reflux ratio we use 0.5. Okay, now click on the stream. The FE actually enters into stage 7, and for feed we have 35. Okay, now click on pressure. We use bar instead atmosphere. Okay, we have 1 bar for the number, or for stage 1, and for pressure draft we have 0.0068. Okay, now click on. Okay, back to Flowsheet, and here we check the result of the distillated stream, so mole fraction, and here you can see the IPA mole fraction is almost 1, so we separate IPA from water. Okay, and from the bottom you see the IPA mole fraction almost 0.